Y'all looking kind of rough. Playing. I'm just playing, guys. You guys looking beautiful. I love y'all. Well, man, I hope y'all are doing swell. Hope y'all are doing well. It's your boy Tribe Loui. I hope y'all are great, man. I've been having a pretty day, but I'm here chilling with y'all about to react to some funny content, man. Some funny videos. Today we're gonna be reacting to Afroman. Will you help me repair my door? Now, I've never heard of Afroman. I'm not gonna lie to you. My music needs to be expanded severely. I bet, man. Afroman. Okay. Is this 12? Are they doing a police raid on this man's house? Whose house is this? Yeah. He's not even there or something?
Will you help me repair my game? Will you help me repair my door?
Why did he kick it off?
Did you find what you was looking for?
I don't think he did.
Will you help me repair my gate and door?
Yo! Am I really watching this right now?
Would you like a slice of lemon pound cake?
What?
You can take as much as you wanna take. There must be a big mistake. Would you like to have a slice of my lemon pound cake?
It do look good though, I ain't gonna cat to you. Yo.
The warrant said narcotics and kidnapping. The warrant said narcotics and kidnapping.
Yo, who did you kidnap, bro?
Are you kidding? I make my money rapping. Why does the warrant say narcotics? Well, I know narcotics, but why kidnapping? Let me ask you something, officer. Any kidnapping victims inside my suit pockets? Are there any kidnapping victims inside my suit pockets?
Oh my, how many cameras does he have?
The cops need to stop it.
Yo,
There
kidnapping.
are no kidnapping victims in my suit pocket.
Kidnapping victims in
Let
the
me ask you
suit
another
pockets?
question.
Okay, ask me
Is
another
there
question.
1,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets? Is there 1,000 pounds of weed in my suit pockets?
There might be.
You crooked cops need to stop it.
Oh my
There's
god.
not a million pounds of weed
A million,
in my
a million pounds of weed is
suit
crazy.
pockets.
Oh my gosh,
Let me ask you
bro.
something else.
Ask me something else.
Any kidnapping victims inside my CD?
Yo, they're so
Any
stupid.
kidnapping
Why are
victims
they-
inside my CD? The Adams County Sheriff Department, you can get these. There are no kidnapping victims in my
Yo,
CD.
he really turned their police raid. Imagine turning, you conducting the police raid and a rapper releases a music video of you being stupid as hell.
How many pounds of weed are inside my CDs?
A lot.
How many pounds of weed are
They searched
inside
through
my
a lot of them.
CDs?
What?
Adams County Sheriff, you can get these.
He's name dropping y'all. Y'all gotta diss him back.
Pounds
Adams
of
County
weed
Sheriff got
did
24
you
hours to
find
respond, bro.
In my CDs?
He said Adams County Sheriff. Like a father. Adams County Sheriff. Did you find any?
Why are you stealing my money?
What?
Why are you stealing my money?
Is he actually?
You represent the law, and it's funny. You're stealing my legal work hard every day. Pay taxes, money.
Are you serious?
The sheriff disconnected my cameras.
What?
The sheriff disconnected my cameras. The sheriff should be locked up in slammers. The
Are you
Adams
serious?
County Sheriff Department disconnected my camera.
That's actually a criminal act right there. That's literally a criminal act right there. There has to be. No.
You have to traumatize my kids. Did you have to traumatize
Are you serious?
my kids?
My nigga.
Did you have to traumatize
Kidnapping.
my kids? Did you have to traumatize?
Okay, this kind of became not funny. I ain't gonna lie
my
to you.
kids?
That's just blatantly.
Will you pay me for doing me wrong?
Probably not.
Will you pay me for doing me wrong?
This is actually crazy. The fact that he made a song out of this is actually fire. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Me wrong, or will I have to get paid from this song?
Probably both. No, dude, from both. Sue them and get and
How you think
well,
they gonna
yeah,
buy
he's
this,
already
man?
posted this song.
Yeah.
What is that ending right there? Will you pay me for doing me wrong? Or will I get paid by doing this song? Adams County Sheriff. Yo, what did I just watch, bro? The blatant corruption of the system is kind of alarming. I don't know where that came from. I'm so sorry. That was just such a deep, random thought. I'm not even finna get into that, bro, because the song was funny. The things done to this man is obviously wrong. I'm hoping he made some profit off of it, because ain't nothing feel better than when you take a L and some money come your way. You feel a little better. I ain't gonna lie. You do feel a little better. It may not solve all the problems, but it can start solving some of them. You feel me? God, it's been your boy, Tribe Loui, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Gang, gang, gang. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I really mean that because I'm posting every single day. So when I say I'll see y'all tomorrow, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. You heard?
Yeah, it's the end. Leave a like and share it to your friends.